Hello everybody, this is Vin from The Better Gentleman, and today I just got the S9 Plus in the mail. I want to do a quick unboxing to show you guys what's inside, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, I got the sleeve off here, and just a couple things to mention, I guess. I don't really see that much of a difference between this and the one that came for the S8. I don't think that's necessarily a bad thing. It's really nice packaging, feels really good. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. Same thing as last year, we got a tab here. Open that up. And here we go. Let's see, we got our pamphlets here. And here is our beast of a phone. I actually have the S8 in this hand. This is what I'm recording with. This one is noticeably heavier. Not in a bad way, though. It's in a good... The sides feel a little bit more edgy, I guess. Nice. Alright, let's see what else is inside this box. Alright, we got the USB adapter to the USB Type-C. We got our fast charger inside the box that we did not have to pay extra for. Let's see. Headphones. I believe these are the same as last year, the AKG, which are really good in my opinion. And I use these actually for most of my headphone needs. I use them for even gaming sometimes. I know it sounds a bit silly, but they work really well for me. And let's see, we got our charging cable, alright, and sync cable. And that's about it. That's what comes inside the box. Let me lay it out here for you guys so you can see everything. Headphones that go really well with our headphone jack that we still have. We have our USB Type-C connector cable. We have our fast charger, which we did not have to pay extra for. And we got our adapter to help us transfer everything from our older phones. And we got the S9 Plus over here. This is the AT&T variant, if that matters. We also got our booklet here. Let me just put that all there together for everybody so you can see all that. Yeah, your basics. I'm gonna go ahead and do a full review of this soon, so keep a lookout for that. Also a comparison between this and the S8 Plus and also the Note 8, so just keep a lookout for that. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.